Strengthening Yuen Method for Arcanum 16, the Tower. This arcanum symbolizes sudden destruction, crisis, inevitable change, and liberation. It represents collapsing structures built on weak foundations, forcing us to face reality and break emotional defenses or self-deception. Though seemingly negative, this painful process allows for creating something new and authentic. Listen to this strengthening for 7 days before moving to the next arcanum. Let's strengthen your midline to accept, admit, and integrate all these changes, empowering you to release fear of destruction, change, and the new. We remove debilitating energy from trauma and negative experiences of sudden, radical changes. We erase the buildup that causes fear of the unknown, resistance to loss, and complaints about change. We strengthen your body, mind, and spirit, removing weakness in the face of chaos, uncertainty, and lack of control. We erase the fear of personal and emotional structure destruction. We increase neutrality towards memories of past failures, unexpected collapses, and separations. We strengthen the activation of your inner center of stability, focus, and balance, strong to accept changes as evolution, not loss. Strong and neutral for change and stasis, destruction and construction. We eliminate the mind's assumptions, deductions, and conclusions about these changes. We strengthen multiple perspectives, strong for multi-dimensional expansion and reflection. We strengthen the body's physical dimension against unforeseen changes and material losses. We strengthen the mental dimension to see new opportunities, possibilities, and perspectives clearly. We strengthen your energy, removing blockages and ties in all aspects of your being. We enhance your spiritual dimension to release limiting attachments. We align space and time to flow with the cycles of the evolving universe. We boost connections to wormholes that move stagnant energy to other realities. We reinforce flexibility, making you resilient to sudden forced changes. We clear energy from complaints, accusations, and unrealistic expectations. We remove beliefs that chaos is negative, linking it to growth and progress. We clear dark energy from space, time, and dimensions within and around you. We reconnect energy flow between matter, universal energy, and time for stability. We clear blockages in physical, mental, and emotional realms. We remove energy drains stemming from fear of loss. We erase conflict from past lives affecting your present. We deeply cleanse your body, mind, and spirit. We boost your energy base, opening you to new possibilities. We enhance self-confidence and emotional balance. We strengthen vision, planning, action, and persistence. We neutralize all harmful thoughts and emotions, We erase all debilitating futures and negative potential outcomes. Strength to restructure linear and nonlinear time. Power for everything to unfold in perfect timing. We align with the universe's midline, yours and Earth's. Resilience amid chaos to break outdated patterns. Strength facing change to free ego and transform. Power to renew after crises and embrace opportunities. We clear debilitating energy from global events and chaos. Ability to neutrally identify recurring crisis patterns. We remove inherited traumas resisting change. Cutting ties with experiences of failure and suffering. Erasing weak mental and spiritual links to past events. Let's boost balance, release, and rebuild. Stay strong as structures crumble, old beliefs fall, and unhelpful habits fade. Face crises bravely, embrace change, and grow towards transformation and freedom. Be strong for creative destruction, removing the old to welcome the new. Stand firm as hidden truths come to light and important realities are exposed. Be strong as ego falls, illusions break, and excessive pride crumbles. Face unexpected changes and surprising destabilizing situations with strength. Embrace forced freedom, leave your comfort zone, and break old chains. Be strong for a total, radical, and lasting transformation. Prepare for a profound life shift that marks a clear before and after. Be strong for emotional upheaval and crises that stir your feelings. Stay strong as false situations crumble and lies are exposed. Be strong in rebuilding on authentic, solid foundations. Stay strong through purification that clears emotional blockages. Be strong as you break free from limiting cycles and patterns. Stay strong when facing life-changing events and their impact. Be strong for sudden awakenings to harsh realities. Stay strong to accept and acknowledge these truths. Be strong in adapting and letting go of control amid change. Stay strong through chaos that precedes new balance. Be strong in releasing old thoughts and situations from the past. Strong personal rebuilding after setbacks to create opportunities for conscious growth. Boost your disruptive energy inside and out to break through and speed up stalled processes. Let's connect and integrate everything from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, backward, forward, and forward, backward. Strengthen internal, external dynamics, boundaries, and angles 100% with infinite potential, always. Erase weaknesses to negative infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit.